Well, here we are at the end of what has been an incredible 2 days. It's been absolutely mind-blowing to hear about all the insights, inventions and innovations that are positioning Victoria as a major global player in location-based intelligence, all the while tackling the really big issues. The complex challenges that once unlocked can make a profoundly positive difference to our society and environment. I hope you've all found the past 2 days enriching, thought-provoking and rewarding. What did you think, Andre?
Spot on, Mel. This has been a fantastic opportunity to bring some of the finest projects and minds together to see how we can meet the ambitions that the United Nations set out for us with regard to their Sustainable Development Goals. Important though, it's proved yet again that everyone benefits when we do work together collaboratively. It's been wonderful to work across government, industry and education to put this program together, and it's a true partnership between Land Victoria, or Land Use Victoria, SSSI and SIBA GITA. That's on you, Mel. Thanks for your foresight and suggesting this at last year's event and then making this collaboration happen. Thanks too to Jacinta for her team at SIBA GITA for your support and partnership on this.
Thanks, Andre. It's been wonderful to be part of the organising committee and see this evolve over the past few months. It's been a real privilege to work together on this important event. And of course, I would say this as one of the organisers, it is bigger and better than ever before. It really does go to show that we're better together. With thanks to the sponsors of SIBA GITA and SSSI who have supported this event too, including Axis, One Spatial Australia, CR Kennedy and POSI.
Yes, and the appreciation doesn't stop there. We truly assembled a cast of some of the best and brightest in the surveying and spatial space to take the virtual stage at this event. I'd like to thank each and every one of our brilliant speakers for taking the time to share their knowledge and insights with us. In particular, I'd like to thank our outgoing SSSI President, Dr. Zafar, for arranging our special international guests for the event. And on a personal note too, I'd like to thank Zafar for all you have done for SSSI over the last few years, raising our profile not just in Australia, but internationally too.
Oh, look, absolutely, Andre. I would also like to add my great appreciation for all that Zafar has done with putting Victoria and Australia on the map when it comes to surveying and spatial excellence as the President of SSSI. This is not the end though, Zafar, I'm confident to say, but I would like to extend a very, very warm welcome to Paul Digney to the role, and I look forward to working with you in the future, Paul, in this new capacity. So look, this event would not have been possible at all without the amazing team working incredibly hard behind the scenes to make this such a high quality event. It goes without saying, Andre and Jacinta, that it's been an absolute pleasure to work with you as part of the organising committee. But thanks must also, of course, go to the true heroes who've made the complex art of virtual event management look so easy. And that's all down to a few people. Suling Memaris, Katie Lemire and Melinda Borg, of course, from SSSI. And then over in my team at the Department of Environment, Land, Water and Planning, we have an amazing group of people, including the great ringmaster herself, the talented and brilliant Karis Evans, who has basically overseen the whole event, but also beautifully supported by Kat Gilbert, Jessica Peach, Katrina Swanson, Libby Sainsbury, Amy Walker, Wendy Bowron, Andrew Ellis and Amelia Cooper.
Yes, they've done such an amazing job, particularly as they have expertly pivoted the event to 100% online as this year's disruptions have dictated. Thank you all so much and great job. An additional benefit of this being virtual is that the event will now have a greater impact as we are able to reach even more people online. We will soon be sharing a recording of all of these sessions with you.
So we're not going to keep you much longer. I'm sure you're all feeling a little zoomed out after 2 days of amazing presentations, but just a final word before we go. We really hope that your intellectual curiosity has been well and truly sparked by the incredible array of speakers who have presented at this year's Victorian Spatial Showcase and eSummit. And we also hope that that spark inspires you to go back to work into your teams and organisations with a renewed sense of focus and purpose on finding ways to use our spatial superpowers to solve our communities and the world's most complex challenges and to help meet the Sustainable Development Goals.
Beautifully put, Mel. With that, we'd like to thank you once again. And to steal a line from the Olympics, we look forward to seeing you all again, but not in 4 years, but next year. Thanks.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.